right now we're gonna keep it in auto. We're not gonna tweak too much, but I'ma just, feel me? I gotta go run some errands. I'm actually about to go get a haircut. So I'm about to just bring y'all along. I might switch some gears. Hold on. I'm gonna put it in manual for y'all. Alright, it's in manual. Let's put it in manual. I'm not even supposed to make this U-turn. This is technically illegal, but there's no sign that says it. Feel me? So if there's no sign, you know what that means. I'm doing a U-turn. There's no cops behind me. But yeah, I'm about to do that. Once this left turn signal turn green, it's over. I'll even put the signal for y'all. Cause I ain't being fully illegal. I'm gonna need some. I usually drive with my left hand, but I don't got the GoPro today, so I'm about to just put my left hand, switch gears my right. Oh look, feel me? Downshift. I only got one hand, but yeah, where I gotta go? I need to go to the bank, get some cash. Then I'm gonna go get a haircut. Feel me? That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, when you trying to race, like, why you inching up like that? The mom trying to race in the minivan, like, what you trying to do? I really got it in auto, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. This is technically auto just with the what's it? Oh, if you don't know how to drive, just say that, money. He's Spanish. Like, que lo que, money. I don't know if y'all know Spanish. But yeah, basically, I got it in auto right now. Is it Trackhawk? Nah, it's not a Trackhawk. That's regular stock Jeep. But like I was saying, I got it in auto, but I just got it in gears. I'll probably put it in sport once we hop on the road, but I need to make a quick stop real quick. I think I just saw a freaking what's it called? Like a RT, but it had like it sounded like a resonator and muffler delete. Feel me? It sounded a little better than what it got under the engine, under the hood. I mean, but feel me? Using gears. Oh look, I hate when people throw themselves, bro. Feel me? But when I'm on gears, man, this thing be popping, man. This thing be popping. I need to get the GoPro out. Man, doing this gear thing. And I can't even use this. I can't even use the shifter either, because it's not gonna be no downshifting there. Since I'm vlogging with one hand, I'm not gonna downshift. It's just I'm gonna have to just brake. I'm gonna have to just brake and then upshift with my right hand. Cause regardless, the gear gonna go down when I use the brake anyway. But yeah, man, I'm just driving through the hub, man. I was born around here. This is gonna be the first video for this channel. If y'all know, my main channel is JoJo Official. That's, it's my main channel. This channel is just strictly car vlogs. Either me driving or me doing something to the car. Right now the car dirty, so shit. The next video might be a car wash. I'm shifting early, but just cause I ain't trying to have it drag too much right now. Yeah, let's douse. Feel me? It be popping a little bit. I don't know if y'all can hear that. But it do be popping on the dashes. And it's stock right now. I'm definitely gonna, and I'm gonna just keep that all on here. I'm definitely gonna get a muffler. I'm not gonna get a resonator and a muffler because I just feel like, you know, it's just too loud. And right now, this car is my daily. Once I get another car and keep that as my daily, I'll get a muffler and resonator. I'll get both on this just because it'll be just obnoxiously loud for me. So, but I am planning on getting a muffler at least. So it can sound a little nicer. See, look, it's popping a little bit. Hear that? Man, that thing dinging, man. Yeah, for me, it's crazy. This is why I got 5% tint all around. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I got 5. You can see straight through, but I really got 5. For me, I got 5 because people just be looking at it. When they see cars like this, they be staring. Feel me? They like it. Right now, they probably like, yeah, this shit dirty. Like, look, you could literally see how dirty it is on the windshield. Shit crazy. Oh, see, look, the taxi drivers. They don't be, feel me? They don't be paying attention. They just be pulling out without looking. Almost crashed. See, I'm telling you, man, Charger drivers ain't all bad. We ain't all bad, man. But it's crazy how people that drive taxis, they drive for a living, right? But they really be the worst drivers. Am I stopping for that red light? Nope. I was ready, feel me? It was yellow. In my head, it was yellow. Yellow mean go faster. Yellow mean beat the red light. That's all it mean. Feel me, guys? That's all it mean, man. I'm on my way to go get a haircut right now. Feel me? That's what I'm doing right now. Oh, they got a TRX in the building. Ooh. Oh, that thing look nice, man. I ain't gonna hold you. That thing look nice. That thing was looking nice, man. Shit. I'm trying to think if I should be vlogging right now for the main channel, like as I'm getting the haircut and stuff. But I don't think I'm really vlogging today regardless. I think about it. I just been on that grind, man. See, this is me talking. But if y'all want more videos like this, let me know. It's gonna be me talking, feel me? I still got the car in regular auto. But yeah, man. I got a lot of big things coming. Any modifications I do to the car, I'm gonna make videos about. So yeah, but like I said, right now I'm on my way to go get a haircut. And that girl in the Benz look kind of good. I ain't gonna hold you. She did look kind of good. She did look kind of good, man. Damn, all these roads be like crowded, like. I was thinking of yeah, it feels so weird driving with my right hand. I usually drive my left, but I was thinking of putting the dash in KMH I was like, nah, that shit don't be matching. For me, everybody be confused. Oh, why is this at 120 and this at 80? Like, bro, don't worry about it. They don't be knowing. You feel me? They don't be knowing. Somebody coming? Alright. Yeah. But yeah, just in case y'all was wondering, this steering wheel is custom. Feel me? I obviously don't. I mean, if y'all know about Dodge Charger, y'all know about it, man. But feel me? Yeah, a lot of stuff. I don't know. I love these features. Oh, we got a Durango behind us. I don't know if y'all can see. Hold on. Yeah, where that? Can you see in there? Let me turn around. Got an all black Durango. I think it's just regular RT, but yeah, man. This is why I wanted this car. I'm gonna do another video. I'm not even gonna talk about the car. I'll do like a video describing the car. I'll make that its own video. Cause there's only so much you could do on the car channel. Whether driving, drifting. But I know y'all not gonna want the same video every time, so I came back on this road. Look at that TRX. That thing nice, I ain't gonna lie. It look nice. I need a place to park though. Oh, somebody hit his mirror. I know he gonna be sick. Man, if y'all didn't know, this is the kind of car I had before. But it was a Sport. Pretty sure that's just stock. We are low on gas. Man, we low on gas. I'm gonna get some gas after my haircut. My haircut, man. I ain't gonna lie, it's still early, so it's not that much traffic around here. But I'm telling y'all, like, this is where I grew up. And, bro, when I mean, like, it's always traffic and people really don't know how to drive. Like, people really don't know how to drive, bro. Like, they really don't. They really know how to drive. Look, they doing a garage sale over there. Crazy. No, oh no, it's not. It don't say. It's not a garage sale. It says flea market over there. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it says flea market. Look, flea market. Like I said before, bro, everybody be staring at this car, but they really don't know who own it. If you got this car and you don't got 5% 10, you doing something wrong. It's a must. Mind you, I don't know if y'all see the time, but it's 9:10. There's already no parking. This is what I mean, bro. Like, in this town, bro, it's just so crowded. This town's so crowded that this thing be pulling, but it's so crowded that they had to make like 3 different high schools. Because of population, like, of the kids. Crazy. Bro, look, see what I mean? I get it, you stop, right? You stop, you're doing something in your car. But why you put it right in the middle of the street? You had all that space to the left. You could just put it over to the left. No, you're gonna be right here, look. And now he's putting something in his trunk. Look. Man's work at Starbucks. I didn't even know that's the new Starbucks uniform. Bro, she work at Starbucks too? They work at Starbucks together. Wow. That is goals. I'm gonna get this Honda Accord out of my way, bro. Come on, bro. Like, what the fuck you doing? Alright, well, I'm telling you, they really don't care out here. I really don't care either. I be driving like I own the road. My friend always saying that. I really do be driving like I own the road, but is that like, But I don't be doing no dumb shit like that. Like, who's gonna leave their car in the middle of the street? Feel me? There's a parking right here. I might just back up. I'm not gonna lie, this is the heaviest. I said heavy. Why I don't know, bro? It happens all the time. I said, but I really meant to say this is the dirtiest I ever had ghost, man. Look, you got like, bro, look at this. Cause I had him parked under a tree that just kept dropping. But it's like, we're gonna get some gas when I'm done with this haircut. We're gonna get a wash. Alright, man. Don't worry about it, Ghost. I know you feeling sad right now. I ain't got a poop stain right there. I got you, don't worry. Damn, this TRX nice though, man. So I caught one of these. Let me know in the comments.